Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. So last time I finished up my series 5 for $5 and under, where I tried to recreate expensive Michael's spring decor for $5 or less. So if you're interested in that and you missed any of the videos, click on the link above and that will take you to the playlist where you can watch how to make these for your own home. So I have some really exciting news for you guys. This last month has been great for my channel. I am now over 300 subscribers. Yay! It's so exciting. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank all of you for joining me on my creative journey. And another way to say thank you, and just to add a little bit of fun to this festive upcoming Easter season, I have a little Easter egg hunt for all you my subscribers. An Easter egg hunt? How's that going to work, you ask? Well, for the next 12 episodes before Easter, during each one of my videos, there's going to be a little Easter egg which will bounce in and appear somewhere in the video. And this Easter egg will have a letter of the alphabet on it. Your job, as my loyal subscribers, is to watch the whole video, find the Easter egg, and write down the letter. Now, at the end of the 12 episodes, you'll have to unscramble all of those letters, and one symbol actually, to come up with a secret password, which will entitle you to a little prize. So if you're really keen or you watch a lot of Wheel of Fortune and by week 4 you've already figured out what the secret password is, you can't post it until Monday, April the 13th, or you'll be disqualified. So Monday, April 13th is your last chance to figure out what the letters are when they're unscrambled. Write the word in the comment and you'll win a beautiful watercolor painting of mine as well as some watercolor greeting cards to go with it. Sound like fun? So this Christmas, a lot of YouTubers were doing red truck crafts. That seemed to be the big craze. And I was a little disappointed because here in Canada, we don't really have a lot of red truck decor items at our Dollar Tree. So I was pretty excited to find this Easter pink truck version, which I think I will keep up for Easter. However, I thought I could repurpose it, paint the backside, because I like to have multi-seasonal crafts to save on time, money, and storage. So I am going to turn my little cute pink truck into a St. Patrick's Day truck. So let's get started. So this is the cute pink truck for Easter that I started with that I still wanted to keep intact so that I could reuse it. So first of all, I dismantled it and kept the little twine pieces to reassemble it later. Then I decided to paint the sign at the bottom first. I just used some white acrylic paint and a foam brush. Then I put some streaks of brown just to kind of make it have a wood-like finish. I only put one coat on because I wanted part of the brown to show through. Next, I covered the body of the truck with bright red paint, and I ended up putting on 2 coats just to kind of give it a nice coverage. Then I flipped the sign around and painted the rest green for my shamrock background. Again, I put 2 coats on just to give it a nice matte look. I also decided to put some gold coins on for the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. So I had some of this glittery yellow foam that was adhesive, so I just took a little circle of washi tape that I had and made some circular coins and cut them out. Next, I painted the wheels with some black acrylic paint and used a paintbrush this time instead of the foam brush just because it was a smaller area. Because I don't always have an overly steady hand, I decided to use a black Sharpie to outline the details in the truck rather than using a paint and paintbrush. I also used the black Sharpie to draw some shamrocks in the back of my truck just to kind of create a background. Then I put some dollar signs on my coins, peeled off the adhesive, and placed them into the back of the truck. And finally, using my Cricut Maker, I printed out the word shamrock and roll and a little shamrock, but you could also draw and paint this on as well. I thought going with the truck theme, shamrock and roll, was kind of cute. Now, in retrospect, I should have made the letters a little bit smaller because it was a tight fit on my sign, but I still think it looked okay. Now my vinyl shamrock I put on the door of the truck. Now don't forget about your hidden Easter egg. Did you spot it in the video? If not, watch it again, write down the letter that's on the egg, and check out the next video for the next clue. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.